In today's TeamWork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to claim a shift from the SwapBoard. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Swap. Once you have arrived at your SwapBoard, scroll down to the shift you would like to claim. As you can see, I have two types of shifts available for me to accept. I have open shifts, that means there's no one's name attached to them, and I have shifts someone has offered to the SwapBoard because they need that day off. If I click on a shift from the first week offered on the SwapBoard, you'll see that it says, no, I cannot claim that shift. That's because I already have my maximum hours for that week, and I might also be working on that day, so I can't claim that one. To exit out of this menu, all I have to do is hit close. I'm going to go ahead and claim a shift for the next week where I'm not all the way full yet. On June 24th, Linda has offered up a 3-hour shift. I will go ahead and click check. And as you can see, there are no no's in this chart. I can accept this shift and I can work it. If I don't actually want to claim that shift, I can hit close. I do, so I'll go ahead and hit claim. And now TeamWork 5 is showing that I did successfully claim that shift, and it's asking me to refresh the screen. What will happen when I do that is that shift will go off the SwapBoard. So I'll go ahead and hit close and refresh. And now if you notice, that shift has disappeared. Check out the next video to learn how to split a shift so that you can claim part of it instead of the whole thing.